Hello everyone, today I'm in Sibu, Sarawak here and I'm going to do a short walking tour and show you around Sibu city. This is going to be just a short tour around Sibu city, and the next part of this video will be the day tour of what it looks like during the day here in Sibu. Sibu is a district that is located in Sarawak and part of East Malaysia. So here in front is the Hotel Malaysia, and there is a tall building just ahead of us. That's the Wisma Sanyan. Đưa 去跑太后面那暗lên咯。哦，看一下那那位去逛。这要到 hotel 了，I think 这排就是 hotel 了。
哦，这排啊。
啊，这排就是。
我看到回应那鸟。
啊，你这样不就是了，他大声声音就是了。
大声？
那个 music 啊。This time around, I did not get to visit a lot of the places in Sibu because I did not drive a car there, so I had to walk around. It's quite quiet at night and there are not many cars around at this particular point in time. I'm heading to the hotel somewhere near here. There's a car parked here with a lot of Joker figurines. It's quite amazing. Okay, now this is the day tour of Sibu. So that was the night tour early on. This is what it looks like in another part of the city. This is the Wong Nai Seong Memorial Park. Oh, 原来只是在这边 Hero Collection. Some boats here. The opposite of this is the Heritage Walk, Sungai Merah Heritage Walk, which is quite famous, and at night there are lights there that lights up, and it's quite a nice light show. This was the city where I was born very long ago. Here's the Wong Nai Seong Garden, honoring Wong Nai Seong, who came from Fuzhou, China. So a lot of the people here in Sibu were initially from Fuzhou, so Fuzhou is widely spoken here in Sibu. This shop sells a lot of nice cookies. You can get them fresh every single day.